Auntie, please, what is Alakún?
Aha, you mean you people have not seen me sew Alakún in this shop before?
Auntie Bisi Couture! Learn to sew with the very best. We will guide your hands to create brand new styles.
Margaret, one of you should give me half yard of this lining. This one I'm using for this sleeve won't be enough. Let me join another piece to it.
Auntie, I don't know what to cut.
Tola, since you have been in this shop, you don't know half yard?
Okay, 30 and 6 inches.
Oh, are you serious at all? You need to learn multiplication and division.
Auntie, I don't know further math.
Where did you see further maths? If 1 yard is 36 inches, what will half yard be?
18 inches, ma.
Go and cut it for me, Joe. I greet you here, oh. Good morning, Mama. Mama, please come back. Where are you going? No. I don't want to sew again.
Mama, why now? We have never sewn for you before.
I have seen your shop, Modern Tailors. You cannot sew Alakún for me.
Mama, is it not Buba and Iro with Alakún? I can sew it.
Okay, take the fabric. Make sure you sew it well. And don't sew the neckline, please. Hem it professionally.
Mama, but you don't complain when local tailors sew the neckline of Buba for you.
I will be back in the evening to pick up.
Yes, ma. It will be ready. Auntie, please, what is Alakún?
Aha, you mean you people have not seen me sew Alakún in this shop before?
We have, but we don't understand it.
Alakún is a traditional way of constructing the wrapper, especially to give the wrapper the extra length and bulk needed for proper folding. Our mothers, especially older women, like that extra fold at the top. It also gives room for carrying or backing a baby comfortably.
But Auntie, we now use carriers for babies. Is Alakún not old school now?
Another reason why it is still needed is because Ankara fabrics have short lengths. So Alakún is the extra fabric we attach at the top of the wrapper to make it longer.
Auntie, how do we cut Alakún?
Listen carefully. You will take your 6 yards Ankara fabric and first of all measure your wrapper and cut it out. Next, you will measure your buba and cut it out. The remaining fabric is for scarf. From that leftover fabric, you will now remove 20 inches divided into 2 10-inch sections, then sew it together at the selvage to make one long straight piece.
Then we add that long piece to the top of the wrapper, right?
Exactly, although there is a way we do the joining. You will see it when I start to sew Mama's cloth.
Thank you so much, Auntie. I understand it better now. Me too. Thank you, Auntie.
Well done here, oh. Welcome, Mama. Your cloth is ready. Thank you. I will wear it at home. How much is my money, oh, Auntie Tailor?
Mama, just 20,000.
Sorry, it's like I forgot my purse at home. I will come back to pay later.
Mama.
To learn how to cut and sew Buba and Iro with Alakún the traditional way, check the link in the description for a free course on Iro and Buba. Thanks for watching.
Auntie Bisi Couture! Learn to sew with the very best. We will guide your hands to create brand new styles.